Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 21st of August, 2023. We're going to talk about Polygon MATIC today, this ominous crash that occurred the last 4 or 5 days. The market completely fell out of the trading channel to which we were expecting the market, if anything, to hold this trading channel. Like, take a look at this. The market and Polygon was supposed to trade within these two lines on my chart. And you guys can see that I actually did a price prediction in Polygon MATIC right there on the 14th, looking for the market to go higher just a tad, just a little bit. And it didn't even do that. You guys can see that the market even fell below our support area around 59 cents. And now the market is finding resistance at that level. Isn't this crazy how you can tell where the problems are at? Even when we saw the market crash on the 17th of August down 8%, the market is still finding issues to crack right back up above 59 cents. So it tells us that this now area, which once acted as support, a place to where buyers were buying, it is now a place to where sellers are selling. All right. So this price prediction, which was right here, did not go accurately. It did not last long. In fact, the next day, the market in Polygon MATIC went down. Okay. So yeah, that would have been 6.79% loss right there. And now we need to talk about the price action. Like, just zoom out the chart and let it speak to you. What is the market saying to us? It is saying that it is bearish. Ever since the high of July the 13th, what has the price in Polygon done? Or MATIC, what has it done? It's gone down in price. Why would we need to be bullish? Why would we be bullish in the market in Polygon when especially it's telling us that it's not that? So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and play the downtrend. Like, that's the direction the market wants to go. And that's the way that we're going to expect it to go until it tells us otherwise. All right. So take a look at this. I'm going to take this support line and put it down here at the low that occurred on June the 10th. Like, the volume on June the 10th was climactic. It was massive. It completely stands out from any other trading day. Hopefully we can find the buyers at that level in Polygon now. Okay. So let's look at the Polygon currently on the weekly chart first. Let's see how the market ended last week. And you guys can see again, it's pretty widespread. The market did see increased volume last week, meaning that there was increased volatility. And the market also closed off the lows of that weekly price bar. So again, just like back here on the week of June the 5th, buyers came in then. We can surmise that buyers also came in last week. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, so the conclusion of this week, this would tell us a lot about whether or not the buyers are coming in. Let's look at Polygon MATIC on the 3, starting out on the new 3 weeks right here. How do you think the last 2 3-weekly price bars fared? Was it bullish? Was it bearish? Yeah, it was bearish. And this combines what occurred here on this 3-weekly price bar. So when you combine the overall chart on the 3-weekly time frame, it doesn't look bullish. It looks to us from this 3-weekly price bar that the market in Polygon MATIC has the ability to continue to go lower, outside the premise that it can fall below 52 cents. It has to do that first. So that's the only thing that's keeping this market in Polygon propped up. Is where the buyers currently reside, right there around 50 cents. If we break that, it's going to be a complete breakdown in this cryptocurrency's market price, to where you might want to get prepared to see the market in Polygon come to the low of this 5-weekly price bar, which takes us to these lows. Okay, just need to get prepared. Not saying that it's going to happen, but considering what we have here on the weekly charts, this particular market in Polygon does not look bullish. Take a look on the monthly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Polygon until we see indications that buyers are actually coming through. We need to consider that the market has a higher probability of going down until such change occurs. You can see here on the 3-hour chart that right here on the low of this 3-hour price bar, this is where the market currently is now. So again, we are testing some areas that we need to see buyers. And if they don't show up, then who are we to say that we are going to look for the market to go up as well? Okay, I'm just saying, we have to pay attention to what the market action is determining for us. Here it is on 330-minute chart. We have 28 minutes and 52 seconds. And we got an indicator of weakness right there triggered. All right, so let me go ahead and put this back on the daily chart. We're going to look for price in Polygon to continue its movement to the downside. All right, now I've already told you though that the market can literally come through and try to hold support around 51 cents. So that is where we're going to look for the market to tag out at. That's going to be one of our targets. Okay, now my first target is going to be a little bit closer to the low that occurred here on this day, August the 17th. The low on that day was 53 cents. So that's going to be our first target, which is only 6.48% move to the downside there. And then my second target is going to be around 51 cents. Okay, and that is what? Let me see, 9.85%. Okay, and I'm going to have the market in Polygon. Let's say that the buyers really want to come through and lift price up, which is possible, seeing that we are now hitting support off of this daily time frame. As long as the market doesn't, for the most part, break outside of this downtrend line, we need to suspect that the general trend is still lower. All right, so that is it. Give me a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys want more updates on what we're looking forward to in terms of price predictions. A simple way. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.